Is your Canon printer acting up? Performing a factory reset can help resolve many common issues by restoring the printer to its default settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete factory reset process, step by step, so you can reset your printer in just a few minutes. For this tutorial, I'm using the Canon MF455DW printer, but the steps may also apply to similar Canon models. If you need one-on-one assistance, feel free to call the support numbers displayed on your screen. Now, let's get started. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. On your printer's control panel, press the Home button. On the home screen, tap Menu. Next, select Management Settings. Scroll down and tap Initialize All Data Settings. If this guide is helping you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Printer Tales for more printer troubleshooting tutorials. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll be happy to help you. The printer will display a message informing that all stored data and settings will be erased. Tap Yes to continue. Finally, tap Yes once again to restart the printer after the initializing process is complete. That's it. Your Canon printer has now been restored to its factory settings. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.